Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'm going to show you whether you can actually withdraw money from the GoCrypto app. So if you're seeing a balance in the app and wondering how to cash it out, stay with me because there's an important detail you need to know. Alright, let's dive in. When you open the GoCrypto app, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. Depending on what you've done inside the app, you may see a balance displayed there. Now, if you tap on your profile, you can see information such as your name, your rank, and the same balance shown on your account. At first, this might make the app look like a real trading platform where you can earn money and withdraw your profits. But if you look through the app, you'll notice something important. There isn't an option to add a bank account, crypto wallet, or another withdrawal method. So why is there no withdrawal option? The reason is that GoCrypto is actually a trading simulator. The app is designed to look and feel similar to a real trading platform, but the money and trades inside the app are simulated. That means the balance you see in your account is not real cash that you can transfer to your bank account or cryptocurrency wallet. So, can you withdraw money from the GoCrypto app? No, you cannot cash out the balance shown inside the app. Even if your balance increases and you appear to make a profit, that amount is only part of the simulation and isn't connected to real money. In other words, GoCrypto is designed more for practice, learning, or entertainment, rather than actually making money. So if you were wondering why you can't find a withdrawal button or add a payment method, that's the reason. And that's it. Hopefully this clears up whether the money displayed in GoCrypto is withdrawable or not. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick app tutorials and guides.